In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix payment issues by double-checking your payment details, clearing your browser data, and switching to PayPal if needed. If you're running into trouble when trying to complete a purchase, don't worry. In many cases, the problem comes down to a small issue with your payment information, a browser-related glitch, or a card method that isn't going through properly. In this guide, I'll walk you through a simple process to help you troubleshoot it smoothly. First, carefully review your payment information before trying again. Make sure the card number is entered correctly, with no missing or incorrect digits. Then check the expiration date and confirm that it matches exactly what appears on your card. After that, look at the security code, also known as the CVV or CVC, and make sure it has been typed in correctly. Even a tiny typo in any of these fields can cause the payment to fail. It's also a good idea to confirm that the billing details match the information connected to the card. If everything looks correct and the payment still doesn't go through, the next step is to refresh your browser environment. Start by clearing your cache and cookies. Sometimes saved data in the browser can interfere with payment pages or cause an old version of the checkout screen to load incorrectly. After clearing that data, reopen the browser and try the payment again. If you'd rather not clear anything manually, another easy option is to open an incognito or private browsing window and go through the checkout process there instead. This creates a cleaner session and often bypasses browser-related issues. If the issue continues after that, switch your payment method to PayPal. This can be a helpful alternative when a card transaction isn't being accepted directly. At checkout, choose PayPal as the payment option, then follow the prompts to log in and complete the purchase through that platform. In many cases, this works right away and can save time compared to repeating the same failed card attempt. As you go through these steps, take your time and avoid rushing, especially when entering payment details. Small errors are easy to miss, and repeating the